How was that for recoil?
Not bad at all.
No, eh? Yeah, I kind of figured that would be a nice, easy recoiling rifle. So, what does the case? What does the head of the case look like?
The bolt
On here.
Oh.
have to be in
That's
line.
looking okay.
If
Yeah.
it's not in line, you're going to
Here,
find
you can put that one back. You might want to check each
So
one of
you
them
got-
as you put them in the
when you're
after firing them,
down the
just
scope.
and put them in the box.
You need to be able to adjust yourself forward and back a little bit to get the best picture.
Forward and back.
Yes, forward and back. Yeah.
I see.
See what I mean about the color?
Wow. I think I went right through the same hole.
Yeah, eh?
Fire.
Yeah, that's an accurate rifle.
Like maybe a couple inches low to the right and the left. To the right and down.
Cool. Seems to be a very shootable gun.
Wow, that trigger is beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's a beauty of a
Wow.
trigger. This is a high quality rifle. Yeah, it's so much nicer than Etsu's trigger, and a lot less felt recoil because it's got a nice recoil pad and that heavy barrel. Yeah, you've got to push ahead maybe a bit.
Yeah, this one's not going in very well.
Oh, okay.
It's one of the shells that I got from that little kit.
Oh, okay. Well, if they're no good, then yeah, just segregate them off. So that's your first 3 rounds through that gun, eh? Your pressure looks good.
First 4.
Yeah, first 4, eh? Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks good for pressure. So
I don't know
now-
what I'm looking for, but
Well, you don't want to see the primers that they're just melted right around, and you're looking for if there's a little dent on the case head from the bolt. Now these are these brand new cases? No, eh?
no.
Yeah. So in the case of these once fired cases, if the previous guy had too much pressure, they would have a bolt impression. But these are there's no dent or pressure sign against it, and they weren't hard to extract from the chamber. So
Oh, that came out real
Yeah.
nice.
you're gonna start feeling a little more pressure to go up these rounds
I'd say that's
with
not a
more
bad grouping.
But
I did, yeah. It really helped, like the advice you gave about holding it that way.
Yeah.
See how high I can go.
That's just
Yeah.
Because here's the
I
thing.
said, yeah, I think Etsu's rifle only holds 4 in the magazine, so it's nice that you can hold 5, and then you can have 1 in the chamber even, so walking around with 6.
This tightens everything up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Allows you to shoot nicely.
There's
Now,
like no motion this way.
exactly. When you're shooting, if you find that as you're sitting here in the rep, you're going, well, you know what? It's not.
So you,
all you gotta do,
what we can do too is we can adjust your sights a little bit.
hold it right up.
Yeah.
Are you shooting high or low?
Low.
Low, eh?
Yeah.
Well, if you wanted to, you got the bolt out anyways.
What is that?
How much low do you think?
That's 10 grand in industry league.
It is that, yeah.
What's one of those squares?
I'm just wondering.
Yeah, well, each of those squares is an inch.
We're done.
So I'm
Oh, you're.
technically diagonal a square from the middle.
Sure, Mike.
A diagonal, 1 squared.
Bottom
Oh, okay.
You wanna reload?
So then you probably want to come up on this for an inch at 100 yards will be 4 clicks, and you will probably want to be another inch up for be dialing in at least an inch for 100, a little further hunting distance. So I would say if it was 100 yards, it would be 8 clicks. So you might be looking at 16 clicks up and 8 clicks to this way, going like that.
Okay, 16 up.
Yeah.
That way. So I'm getting center left.
Yeah.
and
So
right.
you can use this and bring it up 16.
So that's
You'll
up.
feel each one. You feel it as you turn it. It'll go click, click, click.
And we'll come in and we'll sweep or we'll pick up grass.
Oh,
or
yeah.
whatever. A lot of guys are into reloading. So they'll pick up all their grass.
Hey guys, I just need to call a quick ceasefire so I can hang up my targets. While I'm doing that, I can run down and grab his target.
If you would, please, sir.
Fire, go!
Okay, excuse us, guys. Fire, please.
Oh yeah, we'll have to step out for that.
Call a quick ceasefire. Ready, comfortable shooting position. You can rest your cheek right on the stock. The stock is specially designed for resting your cheek on there. Stick your forward like a turtle. Make sure you're able to see the full image of the object. Once you're able to see the full image of the object, and you can see the crosshairs and your target, slide in the magazine, push forward and down on the bolt, ready to shoot. When you're right back to sight. If the chair is too high or too low or back a little, just adjust it. But before we let's get you into a ready, comfortable shooting position. Oh yeah, if you need
What's
there's
that?
a coat hanger right up here.
It's got some push to it.
Yeah. Well, now you're using a little more gunpowder too, eh? Yeah. Just check your primers.
Oh, yeah,
Nothing is
first thing first,
unusual.
just get into the booth, try to get yourself into a ready, comfortable shooting position, and adjust the chair and the rifle until it feels comfortable. Yes. Awesome. So yeah, you just want to make sure you can see the full image of the scope, and then you want to point the object right at your target. Once you are able to... just let me know once you're able to aim down your sight and identify your target. So you have to rest your cheek on the stock and then put your head in just the right position. Just like looking through a pair of binoculars or a microscope. Your head has to be in just the right position. Are you able to see down your sights?
Now I can see down the sight.
Cool. Are you able to put the optic on the target?
Huh?
Yep. Okay. Once you're able to aim down your sights and identify your target, take your left hand and slide in the magazine. It just goes right in there.
How's it going there?
Good. Now once you're ready,
My right eye isn't as good as my left.
Oh,
I think I'm
yeah.
gonna start shooting with my left.
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of.
And I'm doing good.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you might have to start shooting left. You could try shooting left-handed if you want.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll suit you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My left eye is my dominant eye.
Yeah.
Also with the
Oh,
muzzle brake at the
but then
front,
you'll have to
since
use
we're
your
standing beside a
left hand for the
wheel,
trigger,
muzzle
eh?
brake
Yeah.
well. You're ready
Okay,
to go.
yeah.
Once you're ready, just up,
That could
back,
work.
forward and down. You're doing awesome. Beautiful.
I just
Even though it may sound big and intimidating, it's one of the easiest guns to shoot on the wall. Yes. Oh, sure. We'll let him fire this shot, and then we'll let him clear the rifle. Thank you. We just need to call a quick ceasefire. Everybody needs to head down range and grab their target. I'm just going to remove the magazine for you. Actually, yeah, so...
How did that feel? Not too bad?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Eh?
Actually feels a lot better in my left shoulder too.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Are you able to aim down the object if you're able to identify your target?
Yeah. Just ram it. Push it ahead hard. No.
Because I think you're going for the
Maybe.
right silhouette. If you recognize which one's yours, you can go for that.
The heck, eh?
Cool. You're able to aim down your sight.
Must be some real shitty ass shells.
With your trigger finger off, you just use your left hand to slide it. Yeah, just like that.
Huh. Gonna have to check those things out. You know,
Oh, yeah.
maybe you crimped them so hard that they started to
There.
bulge
Oh.
at the end.
There
I'm
you go.
thinking.
You get yourself in the break.
Well, actually,
It's only 2 of them so far.
okay. Yeah, I'll just sort that guy off then. We'll have to see what you were doing there. Huh.
Oh, actually.
It's kind of all beat up at the end too.
Yeah,
Or-
that shouldn't.
Or is that normal?
Yeah, it shouldn't have anything to do with it, I don't think.
Oh well. Moving on to 38 degrees.
Yeah.
Now, just aim, breathe, gentle squeeze. Take your time.
I should have used those new shells.
Yeah, maybe so. I'll have to take a close look at those ones that don't chamber.
Once you're ready, just grab the bolt, up, back, forward, and down. Oh, you just pull it back out. All right. There you go. And then you push forward, and then down. Open forward. There you go. Last round. Just aim, breathe, gentle squeeze. Yeah, if you want, you can get in your ready position. Just like with the other guns, you just get into your ready position, then turn your head and just give a smile.
Got it.
Awesome. We'll call one more ceasefire. I'll run and grab your targets, and then we'll do the payments.
Awesome.
No worries. Just gonna double check here. Hang down. Action is open. Yeah. We just gotta call one last ceasefire, and then I'll be
Okay.
out of your guys' hair. Let's see. The KDEX magazine.
All right, back at it.
Mhm. Back at her. Yeah, don't hook your finger all the way through the trigger guard like that. Just have the should be on the middle, kind of on the middle of that pad, eh? You don't want to be grabbing it with your knuckle with the joint part.
Oh.
Yeah. See, your finger is through too far, eh?
That's
Shouldn't be that far through. I don't think.
It's like
See, I would say
halfway on my pad.
like this. Yeah. See, like.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
about
okay.
where.
So that's about where you were? Oh, okay. Yeah. It just, oh, see, that looks like it's weight. That looks like you're getting your joint to pull on the thing. You don't want that.
No.
No, it should be
Halfway on the pad?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sort
okay.
of the pad of your finger. That's where you're more sensitive. Otherwise, you tend to pull the shot off to one side. You want to have a straight back pull. We'll see where you are on the target after that scope adjustment too, eh? If you're maybe aiming at a different crosshair this time, you'll be able to distinguish it.
Yeah, that's much better pulling it on the pad.
What's that?
It's much better pulling it different.
Oh,
The
yeah.
trigger?
Oh, good. Yeah. Well, that's partly why I'm videotaping you too, because then you can see, you'll be able to see your finger placement as there's, or anything else you're doing this way later on. Yeah. So as you shoot more, you know, the tendency to flinch will start to build a little bit. But that's just because you might begin anticipating, eh? So that's when you have to concentrate on just making sure you're squeezing gradually, eh? And not expecting exactly when the shot is going to go off. But you're getting a pretty. You're able to get a pretty steady hold using that sandbag.
Oh yeah, plenty.
Yeah. Eh? Oh,
So that's the 36 grain.
that was our first string, eh?
Yeah, that's the 36.
That's very good.
And this is the 38.
Uh huh.
Or no, sorry, 37, 39.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, very nice. That's nice shooting right off the bat there. And that was using your right eye too, eh?
Yeah, it was.
Cool. Very nice.
Yeah, that's real nice.
Yeah, and
All four of them.
yeah, we might, from the looks of it, we might want to bring the windage to the right just a little bit, maybe. So that would be like, it's like a 1/4 inch off, maybe at the most. So you could bring 4 clicks over, maybe 3 just to be on the safe side, and then your height could come up maybe 3 clicks, maybe 3 clicks up, 3 clicks to the right might be a little bit better. I mean, we don't have to get it perfect yet. Well, anyways, we might as well get in the ballpark, and then we'll take a look at what point blank range we should set this thing for, and how high we have to be at 40 yards for that. Then we'll know.
Maybe we can do that.
But you can tell that gun definitely shoots accurate.
Yeah.
Not a problem there.
God, Frost was.
Okay.
Range is hot?
Yeah.
Awesome. To go. Cool. Range is hot.
Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're gonna like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.